Do these 5 things before you go to bed, and I promise you, you will have the most nourishing, refreshing, and rejuvenating sleep you ever had. Hello, my friends. Namaste. Welcome back to Atmaflow. Do you ever wake up unwell, not rested, unsatisfied, depressed, or just tired? Maybe it's just me. But in most cases, people tend to wake up not rejuvenated, not nourished, not well rested. Why is that? Because we're following so many bad habits. Our lifestyle, our diet, our consuming of news, television, radio, internet, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. And during the day, we're picking up so many energies, also during night. And that's why it is so important to learn the art of creating the right environment and mindset so that you can get the best out of your 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Number 1, don't eat before you go to bed. At least you should stop eating 2 hours before you go to sleep. Your body needs the time to digest the food in the stomach. Otherwise, you will have big trouble sleeping. Best, of course, is if you stop eating 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed. Or you do intermittent fasting and you just eat your last meal at lunchtime. And then you will have a much better sleep because the body then don't need all the energy to digest the food in the stomach. Number 2, take a shower before you go to bed. Of course, you experience when you come back from work, when you come back from party, when you come back from the town, and you take a shower, all this dirt, all these negative energies around you just get washed off. In the same way, when you go to bed, make sure you have a nice shower. Should the shower be cold? Should the shower be warm? This is completely up to you. Warm, hot showers will help you to sleep faster, but cold showers will nourish you more and it will help you to sleep deeper, and you need to sleep less if you take a cold shower. I preferably take a warm shower and end with a cold. I'm doing this since 10 years. And there's actually a study by NASA what is saying that you need less sleep by taking a shower before you go to bed. Okay, number 3, create the right environment before you go to sleep. Be regulated. Wake up to the same time, go to bed to the same time. Your body, your mind is a muscle and can get trained. So you just wake up even without an alarm clock. What to speak of a snooze button. Forget your cell phone. Half an hour to 1 hour before you go to sleep. Just turn off your mobile phone. Don't use the internet. Instead, read a book. Avoid heating. Open the window. I know for some it's cold, but it will help you so much to get a well-rested sleep when you sleep with open window. You can also tape your mouth so you don't breathe to your mouth. Instead, you will breathe to the nose. Don't have a TV in your sleeping room. Don't drink. Don't smoke. If you have some fight in your bedroom, then speak about it. Solve the problem. Don't invite unexpected guests to your sleeping room. If possible, don't have a carpet because the carpet will accumulate too much dust so you can't breathe properly during night. Clean the sleeping area before you go to bed. Best even if you can wipe the floor. Sleep with your head near the window and face your head north or south. And what really can protect your subconscious mind and your energy is you put on some spiritual music to create a spiritual atmosphere during sleep. Number 4, Pranayama or Breathwork. Do some gentle breathing techniques like Ujjayi Pranayama, where you close the throat. Alternate nostril breathing. Start with the left, exhale to the right, inhale to the right, exhale to the left for 5 to 10 times. Or Brahmari Pranayama. Deep belly breathing, 3-step yogic breathing. All the techniques are showed in so many other videos already. And these calming breathing techniques, they will really help you to center yourself, to empty, to free the mind from all the toxic waste you accumulated during the day. It will raise your energy levels so that you can breathe in more oxygen during night, what really will help you to get a well balanced, relaxed and deep sleep. And number 5, meditation. Take a moment, a minute or two, maybe 10. Start with small steps. Doesn't need to be 1 hour. It can be a few minutes. Meditate about the nature of yourself, that you're not this material body, that you're not this material mind, that you're a spiritual being having a human experience. Open yourself up for something higher and find the peace within. And then most important, create a state of gratitude. Remember all the things happen to you during the day, all the small little things. Not just think about it, try to feel it, go into it and experience the deepest happiness within, and then express it through your gratitude. And on top of the meditation and the secret for very deep, nourishing sleep, that you wake up full of enthusiasm and joy, is that you wish all living entities real happiness. Pray for their well-being and happiness in life. And then you will connect yourself with the state of happiness, peace and joy. If you just practice these 5 things daily, you will see a big change in your sleep, a big change when you wake up, and an even bigger change in your life. Thanks for staying with me. Thanks for watching. I wish you the best night you ever had, and I hopefully see you soon. Namaste.